Hello everyone, this here is what I believe to be a 1980 or 1981 Kenmore dehumidifier. I bought this at a thrift store recently. It was $20, but it was green tag day, so it was only $10. That little towel there is to keep it from vibrating because the weather stripping needs to be redone, and I just haven't gotten to it yet. Here's the back. It's very similar to the Whirlpool ones I have, except this one comes back further, so it kind of covers the bucket more back here. Anyway, I'll give it a little run for you here. It's actually not vibrating too bad now. Earlier it was really, really loud, that's why I shoved that towel there. But yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.